First, let's log in. If you don't have an account, you can make one from here. I already have one, so I'll just log in. Now this is your home page. From here you can browse tasks. Like I applied on this one. Then from here you can post your own tasks for other people to do. And from here you can explore cleaning services, furniture assembly, file, you log out. That's it.